Okay.
First, we need to cut the watermelon. Wow! I want to eat. Now let's check it out. Now we need to shoot. Let's do this. Now let's make some water.
Okay.
Now we need some cordia. Now let's mix this with water. Wow! Now powder chili. Let's put it here. Now let's put it in the watermelon. Now let's put them in. Let's put some more in. Look! Now let's put in the fridge.
Okay.
We'll be back. Hey, it's already done.
Wow!
Let's test it. Ooh, I feel something in there. Bye, thanks for watching.